Nom nom.
Hi guys, this is Dean from Dean at Play. We're going to do an animal surprise today.
Close your eyes. Walk, walk. Can you walk with your eyes closed?
Yes.
Walk, walk. Open your eyes, Dean.
Wow!
What have you got here, Dean?
Lots of animals. I'm so happy. Yay! Look at all these toys. Is that what?
Oops, they're humongous, Dean.
Yeah! Look at this baby. Bad T-Rex. That's who ate you up for dinner. I have my own zoo at home.
You have your own zoo at home. It's spinning.
Sorry, baby.
What else have you got here?
This.
What's that one?
Brachiosaurus.
It's a baby T-Rex.
He's going to be wrestling.
Okay.
This is an alligator.
Wow.
Wow, look at it. It looks like a wee alligator. Wee. Would you like to get eaten?
No, thank you. Uh-oh, alligator's down. You won, Spider-Man? So are you fighting with all these animals? And why? What are you doing?
Test his strength.
Oh, you want to test their strength? Okay. And your strength, because you're Spider-Man.
Yeah. But they're going to lose. Where's my baby? I'll eat you. He's coming to you. Did you take my baby? Did you? Did you?
No, I didn't.
Yes, I did.
Your baby's right there. T-Rex is no match for Dean the Spider-Man.
Just go strength. I'm losing.
Uh-oh, Spider-Man. What happened to you, Spider-Man?
Bad T-Rex.
Poor T-Rex.
Look at this leg. Look at this bird. Look at it.
Does it look real?
Yes, I know. You got it.
He doesn't look real.
This looks real.
That one? It's a baby Brachiosaurus. Oh, hello, baby Brachiosaurus.
I'll eat you.
No, we only eat plants. T-Rex can have it for snack later. What do you think? No, T-Rex will have him for his snack. Not the other
You
way
eat all
around.
the teeth. Now he can't eat it. I'll eat you.
Give me my snack.
Here you go.
I'm so hungry.
No, you can't get him.
Well, I'll just have zebra for snack. Mommy zebra, yum yum. Because Dean is so yummy and he's Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Uh-oh. Oh no, T-Rex.
Come on, T-Rex, get me.
Let me have a taste of Dean the Spider-Man.
You didn't taste me yet.
yum. Yummy Dean. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Attack! Boom! Attack! Bye guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my video. Press the thumbs up if you like this video. Bye guys.
Oh no.